Making money online is a popular goal for many people. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or earn a full-time income, there are many opportunities to make money online. In this tutorial, we'll explore some popular methods for making money online. Number 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is a popular way to make money online. It involves offering your skills and expertise to clients on a project-by-project basis. Popular freelancing platforms include Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. To get started, you'll need to create a profile and showcase your skills. From there, you can start bidding on projects and building your portfolio. Number 2. Online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, you can make money online by offering tutoring services. Platforms like Chegg and TutorMe offer online tutoring services, and you can also advertise your services on social media or through your own website. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale that you generate. You can promote products through your website, social media, or email marketing. Popular affiliate marketing platforms include Amazon Associates and ShareASale. Number 4. Selling digital products. If you have a skill or talent that others want to learn, you can create and sell digital products like ebooks, courses, and webinars. You can sell these products on platforms like Udemy and Teachable, or you can create your own website and sell products directly to customers. Number 5. Dropshipping. Dropshipping involves selling products without actually holding inventory. You set up an online store and promote products from a supplier. When a customer makes a purchase, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. You earn a profit on the difference between the supplier's price and the price you charge the customer. Popular dropshipping platforms include Shopify and Oberlo. Number 6. Online surveys. While online surveys won't make you rich, they can provide a small source of income. Companies are willing to pay for your opinion on their products and services, and you can earn money by taking online surveys. Popular survey sites include SurveyJunkie and Swybox. Number 7. Online writing. If you enjoy writing, you can make money online by writing for blogs, websites, and other online publications. Freelancing platforms like Upwork and Freelancer offer writing jobs, or you can reach out to blogs and websites directly to offer your services. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money online. Whether you're looking for a full-time income or a small side hustle, there are opportunities available. By exploring different methods and finding what works best for you, you can start earning money online.